Hello, children. Hope you are fit and fine. I welcome you all in Standard 10. Today, we will begin with online teaching of Science 2. We will start with chapter number 1, Heredity and Evolution. Students, can you tell which component of the cellular nucleus of living organisms carries hereditary characters? The answer is DNA. What do we call to the process of transfer of physical and mental characters from parents to the progeny? The process is inheritance or heredity. Which are the components of the DNA molecule? DNA molecule contains two parallel strands. Each strand is basically made up of nucleotide. Each nucleotide has three components. First is phosphoric acid. Second is deoxyribose sugar. And third is nitrogenous base pairs. Now we will see heredity and hereditary changes. You know that heredity is the transfer of biological characters from one generation to another via genes. Johann Gregor Mendel is pioneer of the modern genetics. Around the period of 1886, it took a long time to understand the conclusions of his research about heredity. In 1901, the reasons behind the sudden changes were understood due to the mutational theory of Hugo de Ries. Meanwhile, in 1902, Walter Sutton observed the paired chromosomes in the cells of grasshopper. Until then, it was not known to anyone. Research started in the direction of finding the nature of genetic material when it was proved that genes are carried via chromosomes, through which in 1944 trio of scientists Oswald Avery, Maclean McCarthy and Colin MacLeod proved that except viruses, all living organisms have DNA as genetic material. In 1961, the French geneticist Francois Jacob and Jacques Monod proposed a model for process of protein synthesis with the help of DNA in bacterial cells. It helped to uncover the genetic codes hidden in DNA. Thereby, the technique of recombinant DNA technology emerged, which has vast scope in the field of genetic engineering. The science of heredity is useful for diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of hereditary disorders, production of hybrid varieties of animals and plants, and in industrial processes in which microbes are used. Now, we will see transcription, translation, and translocation. Before we see the process of transcription, just discuss some questions. What is the structure of DNA and various types of RNA? The structure of DNA was proposed by the scientists Watson and Crick. According to them, DNA has double helical structure. Each strand of DNA contains many nucleotides. Each nucleotide has three components: phosphoric acid, deoxyribose sugar, and nitrogenous base pairs. Nitrogenous base pairs are of two types: purines and pyrimidines. Adenine and guanine are called purines, whereas cytosine and thymine are called pyrimidines. Adenine always pairs with thymine by double hydrogen bond. Cytosine always pairs with guanine by triple hydrogen bond. And because of these hydrogen bonds, the two strands of DNA are held together. RNA is the second important nucleic acid of the cell. This nucleic acid is made up of ribose sugar, phosphate molecule, and four types of nitrogenous bases like adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil. The nucleotide is the smallest unit of the single strand of RNA molecule. According to function, there are three types of RNA. First is mRNA, that is messenger RNA. The RNA molecule that carries the information of protein synthesis from genes, that is DNA chain in the cell nucleus to ribosomes in the cytoplasm which produce the proteins is called messenger RNA. Second type is ribosomal RNA, that is rRNA. The molecule of RNA, which is a component of the ribosome organelle, is called a ribosomal RNA. Ribosomes perform the function of protein synthesis. The third type of RNA is transfer RNA, that is tRNA. The RNA molecule which according to the message of mRNA carries the amino acids up to the ribosomes is called transfer RNA. What is the meaning of genetic disorders and the names of some genetic disorders? Diseases or disorders occurring due to abnormalities in chromosomes and mutations in genes are called genetic disorders. Chromosomal abnormalities include either increase or decrease in numbers and deletion or translocation of any part of the chromosomes. Examples of disorders due to chromosomal abnormalities are Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, etc. And the examples of disorders due to mutations in genes are albinism, sickle cell anemia, cleft lip, cleft palate, etc. Students, today's homework is draw neat and labeled diagrams of structure of DNA, RNA and three different types of RNA. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe.